Hey everyone, welcome back to our sawmill. We got a nice cold February wintry day with a little frost on the trees in the back here. So what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to be edging these boards on the sawmill. So all these have been planed once on one side. I'm going to edge one true side so that it's square. I'll probably do both sides just because, and then these will be made into shiplap or tongue and groove. We're doing a blue stain shiplap or tongue and groove. I got about 3,000 feet I gotta do, so I'm gonna start with this stack here today, and then we're gonna do the rest of it probably this afternoon. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Come with me and let's show you how I do this. So I like to do about 20 boards at a time. They're 7/8 inch thick, so you can fit about 20 of them. And the cutting resistance is still just enough where you can go pretty fast. Go. So just like that, we're done with 20 boards, and they're ready for going through the molder. So they have three sides squared up. Makes it a lot easier on the molder knives and the blades if they don't have to take off excess material. So I like to get them down like this, and when they go through the molder, they're going through nice and square, and you have a perfect edge without any defect. It gives me a higher yield for my square foot on my tongue and groove and shiplap, so it's just the way I like to do it. The other way you could do it is run them through a straight line rip. I have a straight line rip without pressure wheels though, and belt fed, so the knives like to follow the grain, and I don't get a nice a cut as I do by putting them on the sawmill like this. So until I get a new straight line rip, this is the way we're going to be doing it, and it works out great for now. Obviously in the future we're going to change that, but thanks for tagging along. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and share this video, and we'll see you on the next one.